Before we sing, we know that music plays an integral part in our worship life. Nagaland Baptist Church Council alone have, according to the website data, more than 1,700 churches. And if we look around, there are hardly 10 to 15 churches that have trained musicians leading their worship ministries. In Nagaland alone, there are more than 2,000 schools, out of which hardly 4 to 5 schools offer music as a curriculum. This is a gathering of Naga leaders, so I wish to quickly emphasize that our children deserve the opportunity to learn, appreciate, and enjoy music. I hope the church leaders, starting from the church leaders, will take it into your conscience that it's important that we facilitate and create these opportunities for our children. Nagaland Conservatory of Music, another college in Kohima, Nagaland College of Music for Performing Arts, Tetso College, Patkai Christian College, and Platinum College. 5 colleges affiliated with Nagaland University are offering music degree programs. I hope you will open up the opportunities for your communities as well. We want to start with an African song. In Ao, we call Kudak Nongaliba Upala. In English, we call it Our Father. In your own dialects, you start the Lord's Prayer in different languages. This is in Swahili. They call it Papa Yetu. We have so many amazing composers in our Naga community whose works are performed by prestigious choirs worldwide. And today we want to premiere one composition by Mr. Fotoko Kayena, who is from Song Song Baptist Church and who is a faculty at Nagaland Conservatory of Music. This is Gloria, written in Latin.
Gloria